Okay, it's called Beco de Sorte. So it's like kind of a small little street, so we'll just kind of check it out. But it's way up here overlooking this bridge over here. It's also overlooking this university with these kind of cool stuff like this. I kind of want to film all kinds of stuff around here, but this is going to be the start right here. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Beco de Sorte, the mouth of luck. So we're just gonna walk straight down, check out these. This is the library, I believe. The library is at least attached to the other side. This is kind of interesting though, like the color scheme. Got some trees that go right up to the top almost, and then way down there you're overlooking. These are like little path. These are like a big path of houses that go all the way down, and then some giant apartment buildings. I heard these apartment buildings are quite expensive to stay in, to live in, to buy or rent. And I can understand why. I can't really see it from here, but if you have the right angle, you can see all the way through the house. So basically the apartment goes all the way from one end to the other, so you can see through it. And if I was up there a little bit, I'll just give you this angle, just so you can see around here a little bit. We might end up being able to see through it later if I'm still, depending on how far down the street goes. Yeah, look at this. So all these kind of go down like this. All these tiled houses, and each house is kind of like a house basically. This is called Beco de Sorte. Some nice apartments straight ahead. You can see that's the entrance. This is a long bridge. So these apartments overlook this long bridge that goes all the way to the top of Taipa, practically to Zhuhai, China. Yeah, I kind of like how these things are all lifted up like that. I think if there's a storm surge or typhoon, like a swimming pool there too, then the water would go right underneath, right? It's interesting. That red building's part of the university. Okay, let's see if it's still the same apartment, same street. It is Beco de Sorte. So it looks like we're going to be able to go maybe around. Might be kind of a circular pattern that we can take right here. Some nice trees. Okay, there's some apartments there. Oh, you can see, you play basketball way down there. So these apartments are actually built a lot lower. And so maybe up here there may be, this could be like the 8th floor or something already. Parking garage. So yeah, I guess you can kind of see they go down ways. It's kind of cool. So yeah, these apartment buildings are interesting. They're actually quite tall too. So yeah, they go all the way up there, right? Let's kind of take a look and see where we're at. So that overlooks the water. A lot of kids. Huh. Okay, now we can see that's the ground floor right there. So I guess that's probably like where they have like the playground and stuff. That's an Anglican college down there. I didn't realize Anglican college. There's also some storefronts there. I think that's Anglican college. That might be it over there, that green one. So this could be just more apartment buildings. So it looks like they got some stuff done on the ground floor. And then it goes all the way up like the same as this one. And over here, this is, I used to eat here because I used to come over here But yeah, this is the library over here. Let's just kind of take a look at this. Man, it's kind of cool, eh? And then this is the Escadaria de Ayafei. Kind of cool. A lot of different ways we could go here. Okay, so that goes all the way down to the ground floor. So actually this one where we were at was probably quite a ways up there already. And the ground floor is all the way down there. I wonder if we're still on the same street. Whoa, look at this building. That white building is trippy. Huh. That looks wild. Yeah, it looks like some kind of architectural oddity. Wow. I guess it was built that way. A cemetery over there. More apartments. Yeah, it's amazing. Such a wild building, eh? Then you can see all Taipa in the background, so it's all Taipa skyline. Hey, Taipa Grande, it's kind of a bigger mountain right there. And I think what we'll do, so I guess basically this Beco de Sorte goes around in a circle. So there it is right there. So I guess it kind of goes like, just kind of goes around in a little loop right there. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just end it by looking back where we started, which was up in that direction. And this is IFT, Institute of Fashion Technology, one of the universities in Macau here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.